In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your WordPress password using MyAdmin. If you've ever found yourself locked out of your WordPress dashboard with no apparent solution in sight, don't worry. This method is a reliable way to get back in, and it only takes a few minutes. First things first, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the control panel, specifically looking for the section labeled Databases. This is where you'll find MyAdmin, a powerful tool for managing your databases directly. Click on it. This will open up MyAdmin in a new tab, presenting you with a list of your databases. Here comes the next step, identifying your WordPress database. Typically, it's named after your account, domain, or site. If you have multiple databases and you're unsure which one is associated with your WordPress site, you might want to check your wp-config PHP file in your WordPress directory. It will specify the database name you're using. With the correct database identified, click on it. This opens up a list of tables within your WordPress database. Next, locate the table named WP Users. In this table, you'll see a list of users associated with your WordPress site. Find your username or the relevant user you wish to reset the password for. Once you've found your username, click Edit next to it. You'll be presented with several fields. Look for the User Pass field, which is where your password is stored. But here's the catch. It's typically stored as a hashed value for security reasons. Don't worry, we can work through that too. You need to convert your new password into an MD5 hash before saving it. There are many online tools available that can easily convert your new password to MD5 hash code. Once you have your MD5 hash, replace the current hash with the new one in the User Pass field. With your new MD5 hash in place, go ahead and save your changes. You can usually do this by scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking the Go button or Save button. This takes the changes you've made and updates the database with this new information. Now that we've saved everything, it's time to test it out. Go to your WordPress login page and try logging in with the new password you've set. If everything is done correctly, you should be able to access your dashboard without a hitch. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your WordPress password using MyAdmin. This method not only saves time, but also gives you direct access to settings every WordPress owner should be familiar with, reinforcing your control and management of the site. Remember, always handle your passwords and database with care to prevent any mishaps or security risks. Keep them safe and continue to enjoy the seamless management of your WordPress site.